To begin, open the Viber app on your phone. Then, tap More in the bottom right corner. From the list of options, select Settings. Then, go to Appearance. At the bottom you will find Change Default Background. Tap on it. You can choose any wallpaper from your gallery, take a new photo using the camera, or select a background from the existing options. The background will be applied as the default chat background for all your Viber conversations. Go to your chat list, and open any conversation to see the change. To change the chat background for an individual conversation, navigate to the chat you wish to customize. Tap on the chat name at the top to access the chat info screen. A new menu will appear. Tap on Background. Now similarly, choose a background from your gallery, or camera, or the existing options. The background has been set for that specific chat, and is visible only to you. So that's how you can set a custom background for your chats on Viber.